Okay folks, we're going to do a video tutorial today on the Bluehost Hosting's cPanel function. And as we say folks, to be in a place where you can launch a legitimate online business or build your current business's online presence for $83 a year, that includes hosting and a custom domain, which we said you need to find a keyword that describes your business, product, or services instead of calling it Beth's Home Decorating or Joe's Home Plumbing or Elizabeth's Home Plumbing or whatever that is. So this is just incredible. So we've done partners. We've spoken a little bit on this module. We talked you through promotions and preferences. Again, Getting Started Wizard is wonderful. It's the best in the industry, and the how-to videos from Bluehost are the best in the industry, so we suggest you use those. We talked to you about search engine optimization tools, and we have an awesome search engine optimization video tutorial series as it concerns WordPress for our students. I mean, it is set up. We have setup of WordPress, multiple videos set up, and then SEO, because setup and SEO aren't the same thing of a WordPress website or any website. So the next thing that we are going to deal with, folks, here is we're going to go to the forwarders, just to kind of give you an overview on that. So again, they have a video tutorial on that. I told you it's awesome. They're not going to leave you stuck, folks. And even if you find some nitpicky thing that doesn't have video tutorial, you can go here, click on help, and I wouldn't open a ticket personally. We've never done that. What we've done when we have issues is what we've done, folks, is we go straight to the live chat feature, which is right here, and chat with folks. Now phone, I just, I'm just going to be truthful here about this. And this, keep in mind that certainly I'm an African American, and I am not in any way disparaging any other race of people. But when it comes to phone support with Bluehost, sometimes you will get some folks from overseas that don't speak great English, and even the English they do speak, they don't understand a lot. Most of the time what you're trying to ask them, they'll get a supervisor, they won't understand what you're trying to ask them. It's a mess. That's not always true, but typically this is what we've ran into with phone support. I would avoid emailing. I would go straight to live chat, because Bluehost is wonderful with live chat. So these are the help features, folks, so you definitely want to use that feature. So email account forwarders, you can forward these to pretty much any email account you want to. If it's a Gmail address or whatever that is. We told you in the last video tutorial that the free platform provided by WordPress for email is just not robust enough to handle really any level of serious business, so we would certainly encourage you to get into this. We showed you autoresponders already, so they had a video tutorial series on this, but you can actually set up autoresponders to people. Now what we've done in our social media optimization video tutorial series, folks, is we showed you how to use free email addresses from Gmail and Zoho.com and set up a wonderful email signature, set up an autoresponder with those things, and not have to deal with the spam that you are going to get with these free email addresses. So we encourage those of you who are interested in social media optimization, which is a partner to search engine optimization, and you want to get your business, products, services on page 1 of Google, we encourage you to go to our website and take advantage of that video tutorial curriculum. It is awesome. It is wonderful. Our students are just receiving wonderful results. So when we go back here, basic mailing lists, you can also set up mailing lists here with these free email platforms. Again, folks, I strongly caution you against using the free services. And let me go back here real quick. I strongly caution you against using the free platform provided by Bluehost. You got email marketing here. These people are great. They're wonderful. Email is what they do. They have hundreds of templates you can use for your email campaigns, and they manage the whole thing for you. Basically, all you got to do is set up everything. So we want to strongly caution you against that, because again, first impressions are lasting impressions, and we are not saying that you have to have all nice email templates and all of that. We're not saying that, but we're saying that for running serious business, the email accounts they provide here, I would certainly start building a mailing list. If you're doing that, or transition your mailing list to a serious email marketing company. That is just our opinion, and as always, do what's best for your business. Now, here we go. We're going to get to the let me go back here and show you something real quick though. I can't neglect this. They had a video tutorial on simple scripts, and simple scripts simply are basically one script installs. You click something and it installs it. So this is one of those, and we're going to get to this pretty soon, but we just wanted to make you aware of that. We didn't want to neglect to just tell you that that is there, but we will certainly get to that here pretty quick. The next thing that we want to talk to you about is advanced email. iContact is also a great service. iContact is a great service, and that's a Bluehost partner, which means it's a Bluehost affiliate. So just understand that. So email marketing, account level filtering. This is a kind of a cool feature. They have a video tutorial on this, but you can actually create filters. And the reason why you want to create filters is like you want to use 2 email addresses to manage multiple email campaigns. You can actually sort those emails across as many different email categories as you want to sort your emails to deal with that. So we just wanted to kind of introduce you to that function. We found it highly useful. User level filtering. This is something that user level filtering is just something that you just want. You can actually manage filters for each user. Let's just say you have employees in your company. You choose to use their web marketing and this type of thing. You can actually filter within your company by employee what email goes where, and that's a really cool feature. We just wanted to certainly run that by you. So the next thing we want to introduce you to is important email addresses. We're not going to say much about this. All we're going to say, folks, is that again, their platform is a what you see is what you get. It's simple, but it is just not robust enough to handle presenting your business in a professional manner, whether it's Roundcube or kind of whatever those are. We strongly suggest, again, going with a serious email provider if you choose to do that. And we are not affiliates of advanced email campaigns, email marketing, or anything like that. We are just giving you some business advice. So be careful, important addresses, but you do what's best for your business, product, service, or industry. So right here it tells you Zone allows you to control DNS functions. For example, you need a subdomain to point to another IP address. Use the A record. We get into this thing with our WordPress students, and it's awesome. It's really awesome, and it helps speed up the load of your website by keeping media off your website that may not need to be hosted there. Spam Hammer. This is another method of filtering email spam, which is temporarily rejecting, and it actually what happens if it'll show up, it'll show the email will show up, and it'll kind of just sort it, and it tells you it does. If the email is from a spammer, it will probably not be retried, since the spammer goes through thousands of email addresses and typically cannot afford the time to retry, which is really true. Although Spam Hammer will stop many spam emails from reaching you, there's probability of blocking legitimate emails. So you make that decision on whether, folks, that is worth it. So that ends your this video tutorial on the mail filter on Bluehost.